Hello guys, welcome to the Python series. In today's video, we'll be talking about the data type dictionaries. Dictionaries are represented by curly brackets, and a dictionary is a collection of elements which is unordered, changeable and indexed. So objects retrieved by key name. So here the elements inside a dictionary are considered to be a pair of key and its respective value. So here the elements are unordered and cannot be sorted. So the syntax is as shown here. So dict and parentheses and the keyword arguments. Now we'll be trying out some of the examples for dictionary. Let me say that my dictionary is named as dict1, and dictionaries are usually represented by curly brackets. So let me type out the elements inside my dictionary. Dictionary usually represented in the form of pairs. Pair in the sense a key and its respective value. So this is my key and the value is 29. So item 2. So I'll be giving this item to value to be 40. So when I check tick 1, so it will show me the elements which has been stored in the particular dictionary. So by checking the type of dict1, I can see that it is of class dict. So if I want to grab 40 from this dictionary, so what should I do? So I'll be specifying the key name of the value which has been stored in that particular key. So I'll specify the key name. So in this case you are specifying key weight. Generally for other data types we'll be considering this as indexing, right? But in this case for dictionaries we'll be specifying the key name here, and it will give me the output, giving the output as the value which has been stored in the particular key. So it will show you the value which is stored in this key item 2. I can also have other data types such as lists, sets, tuples inside my dictionary. So let me show you. So let me take my dict2 and k1 is 1 and k2 is 2 and k3 is, so I can have a list inside my dictionary or a tuple inside my dictionary. So if I want to grab out this element 2 from this dictionary, what should I be doing? So I'll just say I should be mentioning the key which has been stored. So first I'll be mentioning the key where the list is stored, so it is k3, and then I'll be specifying index of the particular number. So the index of this number 2 is 1. So when I type in this, I'll retrieve the value 2 from the list 1 to 3 and from the key k3. So I can also have a dictionary inside a dictionary. In other words, you can call it as nested dictionary. So let me take a dictionary 3 and assign it with the following values. Key 1 is 1, key 2 is 2, and key 3 as 1, 2, 3, and key 4 as another dictionary which I'll name it as key 5 with 5. Yeah. So now if I want to grab out this 5 from the dictionary 3, so I'll be specifying the key, the main key which has been, in which the particular value has been stored. So here the chain, I'll take the first key, so the whole dictionary which has been stored in the particular key. So this dictionary, this small dictionary, is stored in the key 4. So I'll be specifying the key K4, and now I'll be specifying the key in which this value has been stored, that is K5. So now I'll retrieve the value 5 from this particular dictionary. So we can also add elements inside the dictionary. Let me show you. So if I have an empty dictionary, so if I want to add elements into my dictionary, I'll just say K1, and I'll assign a value for this K1. So the particular key value pair has been stored in the particular dictionary. So I can also add in more elements. So the values has been added into the particular key. So I can also replace a particular value which has been stored in the key to another value, a new value. If I want to change 2 to some other value, so I don't want 2 for the value which has been stored in the key K2, so I wanted something else. So I can replace the particular value into some other value. First I have to mention which value, in which key I have to change the value. So I'll say 2, so and new value will be 3. Now my key K2 will be having the value 3 instead of 2. Now let us try out some of the methods, built-in methods which can be used in dictionary. So d.keys is a method which will give you the output of all the keys which are there in your particular dictionary. It returns all the keys which are there in the dictionary. d.values returns all the values which are there in your dictionary. You can use a method d.get d.get, and you should be specifying the key name. So let us say key1. So it will give you the value which has been stored in the particular key K1. So now let us try a method copy. So in order to do this, let me take my new as dict2, so my original dictionary is gonna be K1 1, K2 2, and K3 3. So my new is just gonna be the original dot copy. So when I check new, it'll just get a copy of all the values which is be stored in the original. So it will display the copy or the value copy, the key value pair copies of the particular dictionary and the elements which is be stored in the dictionary original. I can use the method dot items which will return me a list containing each key value pair. So it will give me a list of all the elements or as a key value pair as a whole. So here this is a pair of key K2 and 3 and a pair of key K1 and 1. So d.pop is a method where I'll specify a particular key. Let me say key K1. So the value key pair of the dictionary D would be removed. So here K1 is been totally removed. So let me add an element inside. Let me add it again. So in order to explain the next method, um, yeah. So now if I want to pop an entire key, like so, this method pop item is a method which pops out the last key key value pair from the given dictionary. So now my key will only contain the first elements of the dictionary, and the last key value pair would be removed from the dictionary. So I can also use a method known as update, where I can enter my key. So let me enter it up. So now when I type in D, the new key value pair would be updated into my dictionary. And there's a method known as .clear. It clears out all the given elements from the dictionary, and now you'll have an empty dictionary.